Hello everybody, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to fix Cash App error code 429. So let's get started. So the first you will have to do is to go to the App Store. Now go into the search section on the bottom right hand side and now search for Cash App, and now towards the right hand side if you see an update button, that means you need to update it to the latest version. So make sure to click on update and update it. Now go into settings, scroll down and click on general, and now click on iPhone storage. Once in here, scroll down and click on Cash App once you find it. Now click on offload app to clear the cache files. Tap again to confirm, and now reinstall button will pop up. Make sure to click on reinstall and see if it works. If it still doesn't work, then go to Cash App and log into your account. Once logged in, on the top right hand side, click on your profile. Now scroll down and click on support, and now click on something else. Now in here, click on cash card. Now again scroll all the way at the bottom and click on contact support. Now click on not about a transaction, click on chat, and now in here you will be able to talk with the Cash App customer support. So just explain to them your issue and they will help you resolve it. And there you go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you all in the next one. Goodbye.